So in the last class, we have seen about the Halsey plan, how to calculate the wages as per Halsey plan. Okay, Halsey plan wages calculation is simple. Time taken into time rate plus 50% of time saved into time rate. Okay, just to see how much hour a worker is taking to complete the work and multiply it by the rate given. Then you calculate the time saved by the worker. Okay, how you will calculate the time saved? Time allowed minus time taken. Take the 50% of time saved and multiply it by the time rate. Okay. Okay. So time allowed, say company is allowing 8 hours to complete the work, but worker is completing it in 6 hours. So time saved will be 2 hours. So take 50% of 2 hours and multiply it by the rate, time rate. This is the incentive part. So Halsey plan we have discussed. Today we will understand the Rowan plan. How wages will be calculated under the Rowan plan or Rowan premium plan. Okay. So this is the formula for the Rowan plan. In Rowan plan, wages of a worker will be equal to time taken for that work into rate per hour. Okay. So this is the basic component. How much hour a worker is taking to complete the work and what is the rate per hour. Then we have to add time saved by that worker. Again, time saved means we know time allowed minus time taken. Okay, time saved will be time allowed. How much our company is giving for doing that particular work. Okay, and how much our worker is actually taking to do that work. So time saved will be time allowed minus time taken to complete that work divided by time allowed into again time taken into rate per hour. So what is important? You have to remember the formulas in this chapter. Okay, so Halsey plan formula, time taken into time rate plus 50% of time saved into time rate. That is Halsey. So Rowan plan formula also you have to remember. What is the formula? First is the basic component, basic part of the salary, that is time taken into time rate per hour. Okay, plus this part is the incentive, time saved divided by time allowed into time taken into rate per hour. Now what is important is that everything will be given in the illustration only, question only. Okay, what you have to only understand which amount you have to take where. Only that much you have to do. Everything will be given in the question. Okay, so if you will read the formula properly, remember the formula properly, you can easily solve the questions. See, read this question. Everything will be given in the question only. No need of applying any logic, etc. Only you have to know the formula. See, here last sum we have done the Halsey plan. So calculate the earnings of the worker under Rowan system. So now we will understand how we will calculate the wages of a worker under Rowan system. Okay, time rate is given per hour 60, time allowed again 8 hours. So company is giving 8 hours to a worker for completing a particular task. Okay, and time taken is 6 hours and time saved is 2 hours. Same question, but here we will use the Rowan system, not the Halsey system. So what is the formula for Rowan system? That you should know first. For that you should practice that formula many times. So we will solve with the Rowan system. How we can solve it? Let us understand. So row one system wages formula under row one system, wages is equal to, what is the formula? Time taken into time rate per hour plus time saved, okay, divided by time allowed into time taken into time rate. So this is the formula of the row one plan. Simple. Everything is given in the question only. Let us see. What is the time taken in this question? Time taken is 6 hours. So time taken is equal to 6 hours. Okay. Then rate per hour. What is the rate per hour? 60 per hour. Rupees 60 per hour. Rate per hour is equal to rupees 60 per hour. Okay. Time allowed. What is the time allowed? Time allowed is 8 hours. Okay. Now what is required? Time taken we have noted down. Rate per hour we have got. Time allowed is given. Time taken is also written. Now we have to do the time saved. Time saved will be, time saved is equal to time allowed minus time taken. Okay, what is the time allowed? What is the time allowed? 8 hours minus time taken 6 hours. Okay, so time saved is 2 hours. Okay, now everything we are having, see. Now just apply the detail in formula, we can get the answer. What is the time taken? 6 hours into time rate 60. From where we have got the detail? Everything is given in the question. No need of applying any logic, etc. Okay, plus time saved. What is time saved? 2 hours plus divided by time allowed. What is time allowed? 8 hours. Okay, into time taken. What is time taken? 6 hours. Everything is there in question. No need of applying any logic. Time rate. Time rate is 60. Okay. Now you have to take the calculator and do the calculation. If you are having calculator, you can do the calculation. 6 into 60, 360 plus 2 divided by 8 into 6 hours into 60. So this part will be 90. So your total wage per worker will be 360 plus 90. That is rupees 450. So this is the row one plan. Okay, what is the formula? Time taken into rate per hour. Time rate per hour. Time taken is given. Time rate is given in the question. Time saved we have calculated, time allowed minus time taken, then time allowed, time taken, everything is there. You have to just put the amount, use the calculator and get the amount. So understood this much, everybody? How to calculate using row one plan and Halsey plan.